face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. My name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you are interested in making money online and learn as well, and you are new here, then please kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. As I always say, this channel is really good and it has been helping people who are interested in making money online. This video is another one. I'll be showing you people how to make money online, but I'll keep this video short because I want to. So make sure you stay with me at the end of this video, because if you skip it, you are going to miss important step which will not help you in your journey. And I will be also mentioning the name of this earning method at the end of this video. I keep it short, so please make sure you stay with me. Okay, so this application pay cash for every completed market research service. So every survey that you do, you're going to get paid, and never screen you out once you've been invited into a survey. It's not like the other survey sites or applications. Once they accept you to do the survey, they would never screen you out. Some of the survey sites, when you are invited and you start the survey, you will do it and you see when you are 90% done, they can screen you out, like you're not providing good answers or you don't fit. But this website or application is not like that. Once you have been accepted or once you've been sent invitation and you start the survey, there is no screen out. Take the boring out of the survey, answer experience also, and then what you have to do next is you respect the privacy and do not sell personal identifiable information to anyone. That's good. And new members cash bonus: join and immediately get a sign up bonus deposited into your account. Amount vary per country, but for USA and Canada it is $1. So once you sign up or once you register, you are going to get a bonus. And as I read, the bonus varies and it depends on the country that you signing up with. And I urge my subscribers to connect their VPN to the United States when they are signing up, in case you want to get $1 deposited, or you want to get $1 bonus for free. So take note of that. Okay. And the payment process: take online service in exchange for cash and gift cards. All cash out payments are made through PayPal or their partners' visual incentives. Get paid when you have accumulated $15. Okay, so the minimum cash out is $15, which is cool, and it is being paid to you 72 hours, which is 3 days once you request for payout. So the moment you request for payout, all you have to do is you wait for 3 business days and the money is going to be deposited into your PayPal account. So this is it. It is really cool, and I will leave the link to the registration under the description. So make sure you check it out. So let's go to Play Store to read some of their reviews and see. Okay, so we are on Play Store. The first one says it is best survey app on the Play Store. I surely love it and make it as my partial earning app. Okay, that's good. Really good experience. You can earn real cash. As you can see here, you can earn real cash. Very good app, getting service daily. It is such a good app to earn some extra money. I love it and keep it up. Very nice app to earn some cash. Really good way to earn extra cash. So you see that the reviews are really positive and people are earning with this kind of application. So as I said, I urge every subscriber or all subscribers of mine to try this. And as I said earlier, I will leave the link to the registration under the description. All you have to do is you click on it and it will direct you to the website, and then you sign up. And as I said earlier, also make sure you connect your VPN to United States if you want to get $1 bonus, and the minimum cash out is $15. So please make sure you take note of that. So guys, this is what I have for you. And I also have this application where you can make money and also get cheap airtime. Yes, how to make money with this application and also get cheap airtime. So let me get the app and let's see. Okay, this is the app I am talking about, and you can make money out of this and also cheap airtime. It works like when you register, all you have to do is you buy an airtime for 1 cedi. That is cool. And if you buy the airtime or if you top up, that means your account has been activated. What you have to do next is you do your transactions through this application, and I think this application is for only Ghanaians. I'm sorry, my Nigerians fans and the other countries, this is for only Ghanaians. You do your transactions through here, and this application has been accepted by top companies. You can read about PalmPay before trying it. It has been accepted by big companies. So once your account has been activated, you can send money through here, you can withdraw money through here, you can top up your airtime or your bundles through here. And once you are buying, withdrawing and topping up, they also give you rewards. I mean, they will send you money once you are using this application, and the money are being sent to you, I think every 15th of every week. Yes, I think so. And you can withdraw that money. And the good thing is you can also refer other people to this application, and when they top up, you also get bonus. When they do transactions, they send you bonus, and it is cool. So make sure you try this application. It is a nice one. I've been using this for I think 2 months, and this application is a killer. I buy airtime for 1 cedi, and I get the airtime for like 7 or 10 cedis. That is cool. This application is really cool. So I will leave the link under the description. It will be the second link. The first link will be the earning app that I personally did this video about. So the first link will be the earning app, and the second link will be this PalmPay, where you can earn more airtime and rewards. So guys, the name of the first application is called Paidviewpoints. I repeat, Paidviewpoints. This is it, Paidviewpoints. I'll leave the link under the description, so you make sure you check it out. And you can also refer friends and family to earn more. You can refer friends and family to earn more as well. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and then like it. Give me thumbs up. That's what I mean. And if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. If I talk about videos, then I'm talking about videos like this. So if you don't want to miss videos like this, you want to make money, you want money to hit your PayPal account that you've created, the PayPal account that you've never received dollars in it before, you've never made money online before, then all you have to do is you hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to know. Guys, thank you once again for being here. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.
What the heck said they are? Hear me now.